going to be doing a review on a Bobbi Boss lace front wig. It is a premium synthetic fiber wig in the style MLF441 LEVI or LEVI. It is going to be their HD transparent lace frontal wig. The lace, as you can see, it is transparent. I'm loving the lace on this unit. So this unit does come with baby hairs, as well as the front is going to be pre-plucked. So this is going to be their 4x4 parting space. So you are going to get 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. The color that I do have is the TT1B/27V, if I did not say that already. So this wig, it does come down from ear to ear, and I'm pulling out the baby hairs to show you that the front is pre-plucked. The sides are not going to be pre-plucked, but the front is going to be pre-plucked. And so I was showing you how transparent this lace is. I did not put any foundation on this lace whatsoever. It just melted into the skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and use baby hairs that it came with to go ahead and slick those down. I did just pluck them just a little bit so that they would be kind of sparse. I did go on with my edge booster just to go ahead and lay those down. Y'all know this is my go-to when I am doing baby hairs. So I am just slaying the front per usual. After that, I am just going to go ahead and brush this unit down. I'm going to take my edge wax stick, which is by Care, just to go ahead and slick down the front, because I did want it a little bit slicked on the top. This unit, it wasn't too poofy, so you really don't have to put in too much work. I just wanted the top to be a little bit more smooth than what it was. And then I wanted a little bit of volume in the bang, so I did use my spray just to go ahead and kind of volumize it just a little bit. And then I am going to take some powder just to cover up that dark spot that I do have in the lace, because that was my hair peeking through. So this is how the unit looks after I am done with it. And then the next clip you're going to see is going to be me playing in the hair just a little bit more, just to get the bang to really kind of flare up and look very, very flawless. So let's go ahead and get into my thoughts on this unit. So let's go ahead and get into this wig. So this wig is MLF441 LEVI or Levi, whichever one you want to call it. So I am going to start out with the hair texture. The hair texture is going to be on a natural yaki kind of texture. It's like on a silky yaki kind of texture, so it's very nice. It is thick, so the hair does feel nice and everything. The hair, it doesn't have a shine to it, so that's also nice. And then it has highlights and lowlights, so the color looks very, very pretty. You're going to get the 1B on top, and then you do get the variety of colors. There is not any dark roots as far as in the back, so you are just going to have that around the front of the crown of the head. This is supposed to be a 4x4, but it looks smaller than that, so keep that in mind. The lace, I did not have to apply any foundation powder whatsoever on the lace. The lace blended into my skin flawlessly, and I don't even have this wig glued down, so that's like another positive for this wig. The only thing is the knots are kind of big when you look at it, and then I did apply powder right here just to cover up my wig cap, like the separation between my hair and the wig cap, but I did not have to apply foundation and nothing to this wig at all. So the lace is bomb. It is soft lace, of course, and it is their HD transparent lace. You can go ahead and put heat on this unit. It says heat safe, but it does not say how far. So usually that'll probably be around 400 degrees. I'm gonna say this unit, to me, I thought it was gonna be a little bit longer compared to the model. It seems a little bit different, and then I don't know, maybe it's the same. Maybe I'm just looking at different. But I thought it was gonna be different. This reminds me of
Sensational, I think it's Chrissy, that I did a review on, and then I had basically the same color as this unit. So I would particularly say if you already have this unit, then there's no need in getting this unit. And then also you do get more parting space for your money. So I do not remember how much this one was, but I would get Chrissy over this one just because you do get more parting space and you can do more with it. As far as this one, you have like this little parting area that is right here, and that's what you are working with. I think the hair quality on both of those units are basically the same. Is really the same except for the lace, but the lace, that is what lace sensational, so that one was still bomb. So that's really it about this unit. It does fit big head friendly, and then it was shedding a lot, but of course it is a blonde unit, so I do, you know, those do shed a lot. So other than that, I don't have anything else to say about this unit whatsoever. Very easy to style, big head friendly, beginner friendly, I'm trying to say. But yeah, so this is the unit. Very cute, very simple. So if you like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, leave those down below, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll see you guys in my next video.